Hey, thanks for watching. And today we have a super simple tutorial for you. It's just how are you going to change your battery and your key fob. This is for an F80, but it will work for a couple different F chassis. And all you're going to need is your key fob and a spare battery. The battery we're going to be using is a 2450. I'll have the link to this in the description below if you want to go grab one. All right, and to change it, all you have to do is flip it over. See a button right here. You just push your finger in there, grab it, it'll come right out. And this is where you don't need any tools. All you need is this little key part. And if you see here, there's a little pin right there, a little lip. All you're gonna do is grab your key, put it right behind it, just like that, and push. It just fell, but here it is. It's all you need. You see it's a 2450, just like the one we have here. So in order to get the battery out of there, I'm just gonna use this other part, the back part we just popped off. Has like a little pry-ish, kind of looks like a pry tool right there. You can just grab it and then pull, and it's out. Just like that. This is the new one, it's a CR2450. In order to put it back in, all you're gonna do is angle it down, then press it, and it's good to go. And then you'll just put everything back on the way it was. If you look at this, there's like a little lip right there. You just wanna make sure that goes in first, and then pop it back in. Then grab the key, pop, and there you go. Your key fob battery is officially replaced. Thank you for watching. I'm hoping that was helpful for you. It was a pretty simple process to replace this battery and the key fob. I'm going to link the CR50 battery in the description below if you want to go grab it from Amazon. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a good one.